The tool that wins on features almost never wins in the real world. I've used Jira, Monday.com, and Asana, not in a demo, not in a free trial, on real teams, under real deadlines, with real people who had strong opinions about all three. And I'm going to tell you something none of those comparison blog posts will. The right tool has almost nothing to do with the feature list. It has everything to do with who's actually using it. Here's why this matters right now. All three tools just went all in on AI. Atlassian rebranded its whole AI play as Rovo. Monday called itself an AI work platform in May 2026. Asana shipped AI teammates you assign tasks to like a human. Everyone's racing to win the feature war. And the irony is, that's exactly what makes it harder to pick the right one. So let's cut through it. Jira is the most powerful tool in this comparison. It's also the one most likely to make a grown adult want to quit their job. If your team is engineering heavy, real Scrum, sprints, backlog grooming, multiple integrations with GitHub and CI/CD, Jira is legitimately unmatched. The depth of configuration is the point. The problem is that same depth becomes a trap the moment you add non-technical stakeholders. Now, about Atlassian's AI push, Rovo is genuinely interesting. The Agents in Jira feature, launched in open beta early 2026, lets you assign tickets to AI agents alongside humans, tracked in the same board. Natural language to JQL search is a real time saver if you've ever wanted to throw your laptop writing query syntax. The JSM virtual agent for support ticket deflection works well if you've got a populated knowledge base. But here's the honest truth. Rovo's value compounds on top of an already mature Jira setup. If your Jira instance is a mess of abandoned workflows and zombie epics, no amount of AI is going to save you. Garbage in, garbage out, just faster. Monday.com is what happens when someone designs a project management tool for people who hate project management tools. It's visual, flexible, and fast to set up. Your stakeholders will love it, your engineers will tolerate it, your ops team will build 12 versions of the same board and argue about which one is correct. The flexibility is the product, and flexibility without governance is just structured chaos. Monday's AI story is the most ambitious of the three right now. Sidekick, their central AI assistant, went live in January 2026 and works across boards, docs, and people contextually. Monday agents can actually sign up and operate inside your workspace alongside your team, which sounds like a sci-fi pitch until you see it running. The MCP integration, connecting Claude, ChatGPT, or your own LLM directly to Monday data, is legitimately forward-thinking. The catch? They moved to a credit-based consumption model for AI features. Every AI action draws from a shared pool. That means at scale, your AI usage costs can get unpredictable fast. The feature set is exciting. The pricing model needs careful attention before you commit. Asana is the one I'd recommend to most PMs managing cross-functional work. Not because it's the flashiest, but because it gets the fundamentals right and doesn't require a Jira admin certification to use. It hits the sweet spot between structure and accessibility. Goals connect to projects, projects connect to tasks, and reporting actually makes sense without a dashboard PhD. Non-technical stakeholders adopt it. That's rare. Asana's AI teammates are the most mature implementation of assign work to AI I've seen. The Winter 2026 release lets you build custom AI teammates from scratch, no code, with pre-built options like a campaign brief writer and workflow optimizer. They operate in your existing workflow, posting updates where your team already works. The limitation: Asana's AI is most powerful if you're already disciplined about how you structure work. Teams that run loose workflows get loose AI outputs. The tool rewards process maturity. So here's the framework I use when someone asks which tool to pick. Start with your team composition. If it's mostly engineers running Scrum, Jira. If it's a mixed team doing campaign work, ops, or cross-functional projects, Asana. If your biggest problem is getting stakeholders to actually look at a board, Monday, then ask, what's your AI readiness? All three tools now offer agentic AI, but agentic AI only works if your data is clean, your workflows are defined, and your team actually updates the tool. AI amplifies your process discipline. It doesn't replace it. The tool that wins on features almost never wins in the real world. The tool that wins is the one your team actually opens on Monday morning. I put together a one-page tool comparison scorecard that helps you score each tool against your actual team context, not a generic feature list. Link is in the description. Grab it, use it, stop overthinking this.